because we're gonna also stream on YouTube and TikTok and everything. So welcome YouTube and welcome YouTube. And in a second, I should pop that chat out here. Welcome TikTok as well. Okay, nice. We're live everywhere now. Maybe I should check if everything's working. Also, I think that might be the first stream where I'm starting in the Godot Overlay already working. Actually, I might have done that the last time around as well. Okay, let's check. YouTube working. Other YouTube also working. Twitch working. Perfect. Yeah. TikTok also seems to be working. Let's just hope we don't get jump scared with random captchas that I have to solve to stay live again. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Today we're gonna continue on this glorious stream overlay here. Yeah. And like the main thing I want to implement today, actually two main things. I mean, first of all, let's open Paint so I like write that down. Wait, why is there 49 errors here? Oh my god, why is boom. Nice. Okay. Oh, I should turn the brightness of my monitor down now that it's night. Like I put it up to 100 because like the sun was shining onto it. And now it turned night and now I'm getting lasered by my monitor. Well, okay. Now. Right, I wanted to write down what things we would implement. First of all, it's like camera movements. Movements like better than they are currently, because currently, like we have this one, we have this one, and we have this one. What I would like is that I can like take any object, like let's say I take this screen, and then like it automatically figures out where that object is and where the camera has to go, instead of like having to set a value. The benefit of that is that then I don't have to like write 8 more or like 6 more of these for all of the objects. Ah shit, no, I did the right click thing again while it was transitioning. Okay. Wait, let me restart that one quickly. In here. Yeah, so the benefit of that would be that I can just go and like say we start. Oh shit, I now need to that. Okay. That then I can just like go select an object and say, okay, I want to transition there, instead of like having to figure out where the camera has to go for it to work, like here, something. Yeah, and then also like if I have like something that's moving around, then I could like still put the camera on it. Like if I didn't know where this camera is, like let's say the camera moved here and I pressed the button again, then the camera wouldn't show the right thing. You get the idea? Like if I want to move the camera around, then or like my face came around, then the camera would be on the wrong place and wouldn't show anything. So that's kind of what I want to fix with that. Yeah. Other than that, the other thing I wanted to try, I already forgot. Yeah, OBS integrations. Because like last time around I said I want to have like a thing. Basically, I want, if I do that, to have like a seamless switch to. I'm gesturing, but like you don't see me. To have like a seamless switch to a different scene, which is only my monitor. If you get the idea. So like when I zoom in into my monitor, then it switches to my monitor. Like it zooms in, and at the end in OBS it actually switches scene. And like same for my cam and like everything else. And the thing about that is, last time around I thought about like integrating that into my Python script that I have for OBS, which allows me to like put up that. Wait, is it in here? Yes, it is in here. And like play songs like this one and stuff like that. Wait, did that even play? Yeah. Okay, it's just on a different audio track than I thought. Yeah, and I thought about implementing that into that script. But I noticed, like, I did some research, and there is like a plugin that allows Godot to communicate with OBS or something like that. So we might have a look at that as well, because then I can like send the command directly from Godot to OBS at the end when we are like fully zoomed in, that it like sends the command and then we switch scenes, rather than having like a separate Python script that has the same hotkey and then like waits and hopes that the transition is already over at the end. Like that would actually then be a better solution. So let me write that down before I forget it again. GD OBS. Yes. So, but first I want to do the camera movement thing. So again, currently camera movement is just like I have a couple of hotkeys, and the camera just moves to pre-programmed positions. And what I want to have is that I like select an object and then the program figures out where it has to go. Like, so I can like easily go to any of these screens as well. Yeah. Also, I just noticed, didn't I have like a window capture for like Firefox or something? Ah. Yeah, also like the interactive overlay thing also still doesn't work in the virtual cam. I don't know why that is the case. That like makes no sense. But I guess I could just slap it into my OBS like on top of this. 1 second. Then yeah, then I don't know. It might look a bit out of place if I do that. Wait, can I not just copy paste? Why the fuck can I not copy paste it? Okay, wait a second, I can just browser source and add existing, and that should do the trick. Right. Yeah, that looks terrible. Let's not do that. Let's keep that away for now until I can figure out, or should I like figure out how to do that right now? Because like here's the problem basically. I added basically the same thing here, but like it just doesn't show up. Maybe I need to call it something differently because somehow OBS is interfering with itself or something. Let's just call it browser, localhost, connect. No, doesn't seem to connect. Refresh. Nope. I mean the resolution is wrong, but that shouldn't matter. That matter? Nope. That is so weird. Maybe it has something to do with like WebSocket settings. Maybe I need to like disable the WebSockets thing for this one. Refresh. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. Let's just keep it on for now. I'll figure that out at some point, I guess. So let's throw it back onto the second screen where it belongs. Right, okay. What was the first thing again? Right, figuring out how to move to like custom positions, or like just selecting an object and moving there. So what we have here is the scene, how it looks like. And I mean, first of all, okay, we need to edit this script, the camera movement script basically. And I would like to have a function func zoom into object blank for now. Yes. So we want to what we want to zoom into. Object is probably a bad name because that's a programming thing, so might be used by the thing in the background somehow. So let's not use that. Zoom into object, current object. Now, what we want is figure out where it is. And then we want to call the preset position on end position. Call preset positions with its cos minus camera offset or something like that. So, and let's just So for number, let me just include another one for. Let me just add another hotkey to test that function. Zoom object or something like that. And we also need to like set that in here. I should have probably set it in here before. Zoom object or add hotkey number 4. Then zoom into object. And we give it, let's say, screen number 4. It's reasonable. Right, then let's just print current object in here to like see if it's working. Let's see if it crashed because I saved that or if it worked. Okay, seems to have worked. But the debugger is screaming. Zoom object 4 doesn't exist. Oh, I'll probably have to restart it. Yeah. Oh yeah, also another thing that I wanted to do, nice, was like adding the thing, like automatically starting the Python file. Auto start Python file that's sending the webcam. Yeah. I mean, now that it's like restarting automatically, it's not too bad, but like before that it was kind of bad because I had to, oh shit, you don't see anything. You still, hello. Oh, right, studio mode, like this. Ah, okay, nice. But before that it was kind of bad because I had to like start 2 things every time I wanted to debug something. But yeah. No, that's not too bad. So that's kind of an optional like quality of life thing. So it does get the object, very good. Transform. Let's see. That should update in real time. Nice. Now I just need to figure out like what the camera offset needs to be. Like if I have an object here, oh my god, that is the worst circle I've ever drawn. If I have an object here and I have the camera here, if like it's angles of things it sees, like where, like what's that distance basically? How do I define it? So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Also, this time I won't burn my mouth with the tea. So just let it sit there for a while. Yeah, so that's what we need to find out next. I guess what I can do. Okay, I mean, let's do it mathematically. I was thinking about ways around it, but like let's try it mathematically. What does near and far mean here? Why does it pop in and out of existence? Okay. That's kind of the render distance, right? I think. Okay, FOV is the important one. 75%. Yeah, 75 degree. That's default view value is equal to total FOV of. Wait, what? The default FOV is equivalent to the horizontal FOV of. And I like. Open documentation. Nice. Okay, that's just the same thing. I'm not sure how the. I mean, if it's just 75, it can't just be 75 degree in every direction, because then it would be a 1-to-1 aspect ratio, not 16:9. How do I calculate that? Oh, wait. I think I understand the documentation now. It's just like that's the vertical one, and the horizontal one is like just the multiplied with the aspect ratio. So like if I go 35 divided by 9 times 16, I would get 123, and that is not the solution that they have there. Because why? Wait, the FOV is like this. Like that's 75 degree in this case. And like if we rotate that entire thing from the other, like to look at it from above or something, then it would be 100 and something. But wait. I mean, let's make this a triangle. And that is 9. That's the height. We then split this triangle here, and we have 45 and 4.5 here. And then we can calculate. Do we need to calculate something? I mean, on the other hand, we have. I mean, that's what we want to calculate. Let's call it alpha. And that's 16. And x is the same distance. So if we calculate x here and plug it in here, then we should get alpha. I think. Right? Right, where's my calculator? Where the fuck? Ah, there. Okay, so if I go, wait, that's that should be the 10, right? Like 10 of alpha is equal like oh wait, no, 10 of 45 would be equal 4.5 divided by x in this case. So if we want x, we get x equal 4.5 divided by 10 of 4.5. Yeah, so 4.5 divided by 45. I'm in degrees. Oh, trigonometry. Right, that is just one. So 4.5 is the distance. Right, I could have figured that out without calculator, I guess. X equal 4.5. If I now plug that in here, then we have 10 of half of alpha. We only get this part equal to 16 divided by 4.5. So we go 16 divided by 4.5 equal to that. Then we take the arctan, which is 74 something, and to get alpha we multiply with 2, and we get 148 something, which is, I think, also not the result that the documentation got. How the hell does it get 107 degrees? What am I... Bro, oh. Wait, why did I use 45? Why did I say that it's 45? That is 75 divided by 2, so it's 47.5. Okay. Some slight recalculations. 4.5 divided by that of 37.5. 7.5 is 5 point something, 5.86 something. Let's copy that. 16 divided by paste that. Second arctan, and then times 2. That's another different answer. Okay, that's my third different answer. And none of them are the same. One axis sets the other axis is the angle. Yeah. Wait. Camera's field of view angle in degrees, only applicable in perspective mode, since keep axis locks one axis. V sets the other axis field of view angle. For reference. Do I need to do the inverse? No. Because then it would become smaller. Which also doesn't make sense. Okay, wait. But like I'm doing the right calculation, no? Wait, let me redo the entire thing. Let me like actually redo the entire thing. So, like here's our camera. We have 75 degree thingy. We split in half. which is 37.5, right? I'm just double checking. Yeah. So in the end, we have like a triangle. That one would be 9, or like 4.5 because it's half of 9. Like just thinking about the aspect ratios. Because like we have a 16:9 aspect ratio, so then in the end we have a triangle. We have 37.5 degrees here. And we have 4.5 on this length. So, and we want this side, right? Yeah, because that's the distance to like the object or like whatever we are seeing. So that's that side divided by that side, which is equal to the 10 of 37.5. So 4.5 divided by x. So x is equal 4.5 times divided by. I was for a second I believed that I found my mistake there, but like nope. So double checking 4.5 divided by 47.5. Yep. Is 5.86 something, which is I think the exact same solution we had before. Okay, then we do the inverse thing again, where we have 80. Oh, I think I calculated with 16 before. And that's our alpha divided by 2, and that is 5.86 something. Yeah, I think I found my mistake there. So our alpha is again 2 times the inverse of 10 x 8 divided by 5.86, something like that. So let's go 8 divided by paste, like that, trigonometry, inverse that, and then times 2, and we get the solution that is in the documentation. Okay, I was looking at that and was about to get angry, but no, we actually get the correct solution here. Nice. So now I know what's going on. Does that help me at all? The question. I mean, yes. Because now I can just, now that I know how that is calculated, I can just go and like when I have like a screen of some size x, wait, that's supposed to be x, that should be y. Then I can like calculate how far away I would have to be to like capture the entire thing. Because I know, I mean, I could have just taken the value from the documentation. But for that, I would have had to believe it. Okay. So my calculation led to me being able to believe the documentation, I guess. And also have the exact value now rather than the rounded one. So y is then equal to, I mean, it's like the upper one. Y is here, y 75. And that, let's call that d for distance. So d is equal to like, wait. So y divided by d equal to y divided by 2d, because we need half of y, is equal to 10 of is 7.5. So d is equal to y divided by 2, 10 of 37.5. That's our distance. And we don't need to calculate it for x because, yeah, I don't need to calculate it at all. I mean, I don't need to calculate it for x because it's just the resulting thing. Like once I have the distance from y, then okay. So, I mean, at least I got to calculate some stuff finally. It was fun. It's not a total waste of time if you had fun, right? So, checking, everything's still working. Yeah. Now. So, yeah. I now know how to calculate the distance. How do I get the correct transform out of that? Calculate cam distance for distance equal object height or object height. Let's just set that to 0 for now. What's the formula again? Divided by 2 times 10. Yeah. Angle red float. Fuck. Stack to red. 37.5. Okay. That should be how I get the distance. Now I need some things. So I have the position. I need to figure out the rotation from that. Like from the rotation matrix, I guess. Which I'm sure I have learned at university. But I have no idea how to do it anymore. Yeah. We will Google that. So I mean, I can just copy the orientation. I cannot, because I also need to like move the distance away, and I can't do that. Like I need to figure out the x, y, and z values for which I need the rotation. This is gonna be a very math heavy stream. So, that is gonna be very math heavy. I'd like to get like I see angles because then I could transform that. Okay, let's look at the documentation for a transform 3D. Actually, wait, let's look at the website thing because it's better to see there. Godot, Godot form 3D. Also, I wanted to check how bad is the like latency here. Actually, not too much, right? Where was that? Video stats here. Says about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it seems about 3 seconds more maybe. Why is that open? Right. So I need to basically figure out how to like get the position from the rotate. Okay, I can't even like really easily draw what I'm thinking right now. Wait, give me a second. I can do this. We have some object somewhere in space, in 3D space. I cannot draw 3D things. And we know where its position is. We know how it's rotated. And we know that we need to be at some distance. Like we can't just go away that distance in like X direction or something. Or Y or Z or something. If that thing is rotated weirdly. Like let's say we want to go in that direction. If the cube is rotated like that. Then we need to figure out like where that is in like XYZ coordinates. Wait, is that solving all my problems, that function that I just accidentally found? Looking at returns a copy of this transform rotated so that the forward axis points toward the target position. The up axis points as close to up vector as possible. Saying resulting transform is almost rotation, scale, and skew information from the original transform is discarded. Small front is true, and that's beautiful. Okay. So that, if I understand it correctly, that gives me like sort of the rotation of the whole thing towards a target. Forward axis points towards the target position. So if I give it up axis close to up vector as possible. Okay. So if I give that the position of the screen, it will give me so if I do like transform like the position where the camera is, no. I want to figure out where the camera has to go, so that wouldn't help. That doesn't help, I think. I want to figure out where the camera has to go. Why don't I like just Google Godot camera track the object. Oh, wait, which would just be attaching it. That's not entirely what I need. I don't think these are exactly what I need, because like these don't care about the rotation, but like I need to get the rotation exactly right. Would attaching it work? Not really. Do I ask Chippity this, or can I figure it out alone? Question. I mean, the problem is we want to like, we have like the point of like the screen, like where the screen is, the position of the screen, and we want to have like a fixed distance, d. This is, wait, screen, camera, this is where the camera goes. But like the screen is like a 2D thing, so like the camera needs to like look exactly like at this. So we can't just say, okay, and like also the camera is like pointed, so I need the camera to be at one exact position. Like I can't like have the camera just be somewhere on this circle that is the distance away. That is a really bad circle. Like let's say we have a circle and like this point is also like d away. It can't be here because then it would like look at that weird part of the screen. Like it would look at the screen. Wait, I can't demonstrate this. Why am I drawing? It would look at the screen maybe something like this, which yeah, you don't see really much of the screen. Like it needs to like exactly look at it like that. So like neither if the camera is rotated wrong, you might be at the right position. Like if I go to this position, then look up, like that's not helpful. That's also why is my camera doing the weird camera bug thing? I didn't right click and transform, right? I don't know. Yeah, but like basically, it needs to be in the correct position and correctly rotated in with respect to the thingy. Okay, that's now I can like freely look everywhere. So it needs to be the rotation has to be correct. So we have to take into consideration the rotation of the screen, so we know where along, like it's not just a circle, it's like a 3D object, so it's a ball. So where along the surface of that volume the camera has to go. And then we also have to figure out how to point the camera at it. But I think the second part is actually just this function that I just found, like looking at that. But the first part, harder. Because there I have to figure out the rotation of this and then where the front is. I mean, where the front is kind of comes out of the rotation. Basically, I have to figure out how to add the distance in XYZ space from the rotation. Okay, I mean the cheap way, or like the easy way to do that is figure out its rotation, convert it into like rotation along the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis rather than the other rotation system that's being used, and then manually calculate it from there. The values. I mean, I think that's possible. Let me try. Let me try. Figure out rotation. Wait, this thing. Does it say, where does it say how big it is? And if I now go into this scene, green, that show the same size? No, different size. Like it is a different size. Here is the monitor. No, that one is 1-to-1 size. Okay, so that would be fine. Figure out the rotation. So Euler. Rotated. Okay, returns a copy of this transform rotated around the given axis. Okay. I'ma look at this in a second. I'ma take a quick break and then we'll figure this out. Be right back. Why did the... Oh. Because... I was wondering why the hotkey didn't work, but it's because that's a different OBS thing, so it doesn't have the cam. It doesn't have that hotkey. Wait, let me rename the cam. Rename base cam. Let me just quickly set that. Loading hotkeys. Oh, okay. Show face cam. This one. Bye. And now, okay. Now it should correctly. Yeah, now it's correctly doing that. Okay, be right back. I am back. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Transform with node installation. Mm-hmm. This is X points right. Hmm. What the fuck is that? Sense access bounding box. Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, interesting. Let's look at that in our code. So we have a basis. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Ah, basis from Euler. Hmm. Okay. Where's the basis only represents the rotation? Mm-hmm. I would like the... Oh, when using the opposite method, get Euler. Okay. Wait, do I print... Okay, do I need to access that? Transform dot basis? That work? Or does it crash? We'll see in a second. Nope, crashed. It's not correct. Give me a second while I figure out what the problem is. I mean, the problem is just that it doesn't exist, right? Probably. Okay. There we go. Back, move that onto the second screen. So I would need... Oh, I have two here. How do I get the basis? So... Oh. Oh, I just... I capitalized it. That was the mistake. Wait. Okay, that works. That just gives me the basis. Dot, or like, wait, is it get Euler or it's basis.get Euler, right? Euler, not the other way around. It is. Okay, nice. Wait. No, wait. Uh, this is definitely things I should know. There was this is math I should know because I remember there was like a thing where you have like a rotation matrix. And then you have like your vector that you want to rotate, and if you multiply them, you have the rotated vector. Right? Wait. Yeah, you have a rotated vector. Let's call it rotated vector. And I would also need a distance in one. Oh, and I think what I would have to do is like have the same rotation matrix and then like the distance vector and just like always have the 0, or like the distance here 0 or something like that. And then we add those two together, I think. And then we're good. Oh wait, no, we don't add those together, we add this one and that together. Right? Notice, but down. Down. Okay, wait. Godot basis vector multiplication. Can I just my basis? You have to use X form method on the basis. X form does not exist. Godot X form. Disappearance from 4.0, so it does no longer exist. Fuck. But like matrices and transforms. There we go. I should have looked at this like a long time ago. Matrices and transforms in 3D. That's what we are talking about. Okay, maybe I should not jump forward because I don't know what their M is, for example. But yeah, that's basically what I was getting at. We have like a rotation matrix, and then you just multiply whatever vector you have at the moment, and then you get the rotated vector, and that's basically what I should have done an hour ago. Or not an hour ago, half an hour ago. XY origin. Mm-hmm. The ships original design. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, base is now we're getting somewhere. Direction of x and y in the object coordinate system. What's OCS oriented coordinate system? Okay. Line coordinate system ended up being transferred to a new position. That's why I called origin, but in practice, just an offset to the new position. This is more interesting. The direction of x and y in the object. I forgot again. What was it called? Oriented coordinate system, right? New transform location tells what has changed. Either 2D or 3D. Or that and basis direction coming. And now right here. Why is TikTok making me do this? Just wait, can I show you this? Why do I have to do this? Yay, I solved the captcha. Why? Why do I have to do this midstream? Who thought this was a good idea? I don't know. Anyways, let's change the representation. Instead of two vectors, let's do some, wait, what? What is this matrix thing? Well, we'll assume you've never heard of a matrix. Well, I definitely have. Comes from 2D is a 3 by 2 matrix. Is it 3 vector 2 elements used for 2D? The x-axis element 0, y is 1, and origin is 2. Not divided in basis and origin for convenience. Do it simply. Okay. Most operations will be explained with this data type. Okay. Here's for yes. Important transform is the identity matrix. X points to right. Y points up or down in pixels. Okay. Origin is the origin vector. Easy to guess that the matrix is just a matrix that aligns the transform to its parent coordinate system. Yep. Hasn't been translated, rolled, or scaled. Yep. Rotating is done by using the rotated function. That's not useful for 3D. I mean, yeah, useful for 3D, but not useful for what I want. And also transform the global coordinates to the local coordinates manually. Form inf. Wait, what? There are two ways to translate. The first one is moving the origin. Oh, okay. Yeah. Will also work in global coordinates. If instead translation is local, which, well, no, we don't do that. Do we? Oh, we do. Actually, that's what we do, because we want to move relative to the object. So we need that one. Start in local coordinates of the matrix towards where the basis is oriented. That method. That. Wait, actually, that should do the trick. Straight up, just. I think that literally just solves the problem. Print object dot transform dot related vector 3 1 0 0, something like that. Yeah, we'll have to figure out the distance at some point. Or like the axis later on. Wait. We need to figure out the object height before that and then just use the correct thing, or like the distance immediately. The current object dot transform dot scale. Oh, something like that. And object height. Now, very likely that this will crash it. It did. There's no dot scale. Okay. Just comment it out for now so I can get it back. There we go. There we go. Is it not dot transform dot scale, but is it just dot scale? Wait, I think I need to close this for now. Swap over to this. Oh yeah, but there's no webcam. Anyways, just quickly, current object dot. Let me just print that. See if that is. Nope. Ah, but it failed somewhere else. It did give me that. Okay. Dot scale. Oh. No way. That should be the vertical one. Good. Now what was the error here? Non-existent vector-free constructor. Isn't that how you define a vector free? Like that? Did I fuck up the brackets? No. Just a quick debug thing. Okay, let's test that quickly. It did not crash. Wait, what? Height, distance, temp, and then the thing. But like if I move that in here and do the same thing, it still works. Why the fuck did it just crash? Goddamn. Okay. Get rid of that. We're free. Yep. Start that. Go in here again. 3, 4. Okay. Now that we have that, we need to apply that transform here. To the camera. So cam transform is equal to, whoops, that's one too many. That basically, and then we have to say reset positions cam transform. Yeah. That should take care of it. And then if I press 4, and I see that I fucked up somewhere. I'm not entirely, oh god. What's happening? Oh my god. Where am I? Wait, let me get back. Okay. Put it on the main screen so I can see what's happening. So we're looking up, which is not ideal. But other than that, I think we're good. So let's just add rotate that. Wait a second. How did I write the rotation? Ah. Wait, I should look at the documentation for this. Rotate that. Rotate around the given axis by given angle in radians. Okay. So vector 3 0 pi 2 0. Did that? Okay, I think it just crashed because I was saving during runtime. What's its problem? Oh, there's a 3 here. Why is there a 3? Oh, pi with both of the letters big. So let's test it again. In a second, you will see something again. There we are. 3. Oh, shit. Rotated, expected 2 arguments. Oh, axis and angle. Oh, it only takes one. Yeah, so I needed to like define the axis, which is 0, 1, 0 or something. And then the value like this. Okay, try that again. There it is. Boom. And oh my god, that is not the correct axis. I don't actually know. I think the Firefox one is the screen that we are trying to get to, right? I'm not entirely sure. Different axis. Also not correct. Oh my god. I mean, has to be that one, right? Shit. Also, somehow all 3 of them are wrong. Maybe the negative one? Or maybe I need to do it with multiple axes. That is worse. Wait, if I'm looking at it like this, I would have to rotate around the Y. Wait. If I... if I get rid of... Wait, where's the screen? Oh, here. If I get rid of this entirely, no rotation, I click this. I'm trying to get... Which monitor am I? Oh, I think I'm getting to that monitor. I'm like this. Oh, I think then actually I have the wrong axis for the transform. 0 and distance. Right? Help. What the fuck? Wait. Okay, I'm looking in the sky. Why can I not look down? Oh, that's that thing, right? Maybe it's distance on the last one. How are all of these going into the same direction, roughly? Wait, which screen am I even trying to get to? 4. This one. Okay, so the one that says 5 there. So the distance is definitely on the wrong axis. That might be the right axis, actually. Also, I need to rewrite the movement, the like manual camera movement thing, so I can look 360 degrees in every direction, because like that's driving me mad that it's like locked. So mouse position. Maybe I just need to get rid of that, and then I can, yeah. Okay. Wait, I think I'm just in the X direction here, rather than like relative to the thing. Ah, that's the problem. Like that is, if I look at this here, then that is just like straight in the X direction. Problem. Wait, why am I making this hard? Why am I not like going and where does that monitor for? This. Why am I not trying to like slash, is it that? Yes. Let's make it relative to the main screen so it's easier to like debug what the fuck is going on. So I'm looking in the wrong direction. Like ideally, I would like to be here, but I'm looking up like 45 degrees or something, and I'm way too far away. That's worse. Wait, which direction would that be? That would be, I mean, that would be the Y, like Z axis. This one is what it should be. Oh, better. But like the offset is still off. Like we are at least looking at the screen now. And I press that. But we are too far up. Wait, if I now go this, then we should go into the screen. Nope. That feels like it's the center of the table. Not the center of the monitor. Wait. Let me throw in this one. That. That is no offset. Wait, what if I just say cam transform is equal to current objects dot transform? Okay, getting somewhere because that's kind of good. Rotate it like that. Wrong. Oh, because it's taking the entire transform and then rotating the entire transform rather than just adding a rotation to the transform. That's the problem. Oh. Okay. So the rotated thing is the problem. It's like the main problem. But like distance. That's still just the main x-axis, not like in the, not in its coordinate system. But like, didn't it say? In local, it should be in local coordinates. What? Hmm. But like I'm doing the local. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Now the problem is I'm like doing stuff in the wrong coordinate system. I'm doing it in like the coordinate system of the world rather than coordinate system of the screen. Which is exactly what I didn't think would happen if I used the translated thing. Wait, the given offset. Wait. Oh yeah, a given offset. Translated local. And then distance. Where are we? Here. Might be correct, but the wrong thingy. Wrong axis. I think that's right. Right? Might be a bit too close. But if I now go the like main screen edit. Oops. Like this. Then that's bad. Like it should be here. But it is instead here. Problem. Let's keep that. Let's try rotated local as well. Wrong axis. Wrong axis. Okay, has to be this one. Nope. Wait, so no rotation says this. I mean, it's clearly pi half, right? Or is it pi to the fourth? Ah. We'll see. Oh. Like, let's say that. Oh, nah. Hey, now we're looking at it. We're just a little bit too close. Beyond.
Remove the space at
Okay. So it's better. We're almost there. Like, I don't know why we're too close though. Like, wait, if I throw it at the main screen again. Dark man. Oh, then we're too far away. And I mean, the rotation is right, but the transform is completely wrong here. Wait, what if I do a different screen? Ah, okay, so it's just too zoomed in. It's just too zoomed in on those. Other than that, it's looking kind of good. I don't know why but that screen is different though. I mean, that screen is like different in general. But yeah. Why is it too far in? I mess up the thing here. Just out of curiosity. Nope, that's far away. That looked kind of good. I don't know why it would be 1.5 though. Like it should be 2. That is virtually the same as when I... Wait. Okay, but like the main monitor thing is still broken. That's okay, I suppose. I think that's a main monitor problem because that one is using this like weird model rather than other stuff. Like, okay, let me redo the calculation, I guess. Maybe we just have the wrong thing here. Wrong dimension. No. That's bigger than we're too far away. Yeah. So that's not it. And I don't think that one would be it either. Yeah, that one's worse. Like noticeably. What was the other thing? Maybe I'm using the wrong axis here. No, wait, that's UV. No, that's also wrong. I can close these. What was my result there? Like 107 something degree, right? Wait, it's probably still in my calculator. Don't think I closed that. Yeah, 107.5. Let's say the 8 or something is half of that roughly. Nope, way too far in. I mean, wait, I can go 107.5 would be... I mean, wait, that would be 53... roughly would be 107. That should deliver the same result yeah, as the height thing. Like if I go here, that's still way too far in compared to this. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, I just wanna test like what factor, by what factor I'm off roughly. Wait, what? Hmm. Oh yeah, it would have to be a bigger number. That's too much. Oh wait, no, that's too little. 0.4. Too much. Okay, 1.35 is... Okay, that might be just like wrong numbers from like me entering it before manually before. Like the reason why it's going side by side there. But like, why am I wrong by a factor of like... Oh. No, it is less than that. It's like there's... When I go to the old position, it's like still zooming out and there's still camera left. So it's not exactly that one. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Too much. So there's still a slight gray bar at the top. Okay, that one is perfect now. Only question is why the fuck am I wrong by a factor of 1.36? That is also not something with pi or something in there, right? It? No. A half would be like 1.57 or something. Like less. Hmm. I don't know where the fuck that factor is coming from. How does it look if I try the main monitor now with this? I would assume still broken. Yes. Even more broken, in fact. But like for the other ones, they're slightly different. Good. Yeah, I think that is basically the entire like thing on there. I don't know where the fuck this factor is coming from, and that is gonna annoy me so much. Like, I know I have now a working program, but I feel like that is almost worse than it not working. The fact that there is this random 1.3 something factor in there that I can't explain, that is gonna drive me insane. Also, I'm not sure why the fuck the monitor thing is so broken. Wait a second. If I were to go and do this, is that the cause of the fail for the main monitor? No, because then I'm too far out, but like not. Wait. No, okay. For a second, I was worried. For a second, I was worried that it would suddenly like work on that one. Okay, so put that back into place. Okay. Yeah, that's that done. As much as it hurts to like leave a random factor in there, that's again marked it like this. Godot and OBS communication, right? And auto start that. Yeah, that's an optional thing. Yeah, let's move to the second thing that I wanted to do. This is gonna annoy me so much that it doesn't like completely do it. Also, let me rewrite the function to like zoom on my face cam to like use this one instead. Wait, if I go wait, let's keep that like that. Godot like just as a comparison. Is there a difference? Yeah, that one is a bit shifted, but other than that, we good. So yeah, pew, pew, pew. Now I need to just replace all of this online. And that is exactly why I wanted to do this. Ooh. Except it doesn't work. Oh yeah. It doesn't work because I didn't replace that. You. Okay. Something else I wanted to add is like having the camera main position be like an intermediate thing. So it's not going like pew, pew. But like instead it should be going instead it should be going pew, 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 pew. Something like that. Get the idea? So we have like a kinda going out and then going back in animation. And I want that. So how do we do that? We need to go preset position. Let's just define the camera main position. Our home transform. Then on ready, we don't have a function ready. Ready. That. Our home transform is that. And then let's do these set positions. Oh, I broke the hotkey. Number 3. Yeah. Home Oh shit, I broke it. No! Oh, right, because we didn't have a ready function because it was already running. Yeah. Oh, nice. You didn't see that because OBS took too long to load it, but it actually like did start out like in here and then like moved out like as soon as it loaded, which is really cool. Very cool. Yeah, so right, there was one more thing I wanted to do, which is rename this function. Camera reprogrammed camera movement. With that, don't like the name preset positions there, because that sort of implies that it like drives to like the position. Okay, so let's restart that, and then it should just work. Nice. Give it a second. There come the cameras. Okay, nice. Now I wanted to add here reprogramming camera movement. Basically, I want to do that. Add a second one like here. Camera start, and instead of end pos here, we say home transform. And here we say I mean, it should just do it, no? Yeah, the only problem is if we aren't at the home transform. Oh god. It just restarted there. Why? Oh, camera start. And now basically we need to do this one again. In here. And here we basically need to say if start isn't home transform, then we do all of this. That needs to be defined here. Don't need to print that anymore. There. Okay, so now going to the monitor, going to home, and going to the cam. Nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why does it? Oh, tell to transform. Yeah, the thing at the end that just sets it to that is equal to home transform. Okay, I was just wondering why, like, when going to the home transform, it did it in like 2 steps. And and also and pos isn't home transform. Okay, that is pretty cool. You gotta say that's pretty cool. Did I make it shorter? Nah, I think that's fine. It's a nice like little transition. Actually, no. And I was kind of feeling like that it's kind of bumpy there because it's like snapping to that. Like now that we have filtered that out so that it doesn't do that. Oh god. Did it just crash? Oh god. That just restarted. But now that I've filtered it out so it doesn't do that when I go to the home position, now I can basically. Yeah, that is buttery smooth. Yep. 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 Okay, that is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Also, I was just wondering if I can like put a collision box onto the camera so it just gets stuck. Yeah, I don't know what would happen then. Let's not try that. Nothing in here has collision boxes. I would have to like change so many things just to try that. Ooh. But like that is it's honestly so much fun. I can just like sit here all day and like just switch between scenes here. I cannot describe why this is so much fun, but like it is. Yeah. Oh yeah, and even oh god. And even if I like go to some random place, it'll still go to that place in the middle first. Can I don't want. Oh wait, fuck. Why is it not showing up? No. I was having so much fun. I was having so much fun here. Oh god. Here. Yeah. Basically, what I just realized is even if I like go somewhere around here and I like zoom back into the cam, then it's also going to the middle. And I kind of don't want it to do that. Question is it worth fixing that? Like the way I could fix that is by like saying, like checking if the starting position is in a list and then like put all of the objects in a list and like checking their position. So that it's only doing the like going out and going back in if we already started a screen. And the more I talk about that, the more I want to do that. So let's just do it. That should be easy enough. Are available screens equal is a list of oh wait, I can't just take the transform because wait, I just realized I can't just do that because then I would have to like also apply the transform beforehand. Or like apply the transform in there. Okay, so I have basically two options. Either I throw away that whole function and slap that in here and just like put a thing at the end. Well, no, it would always go to like a can. But like, no, the home position is not the cam. I could like do the inverse transform on the home position, and then like in there I just always apply that. I think I want to do that. Like throwing the objects in there instead of the position. No, actually, I can see use cases where we want to like just follow some position or something. So let's not do that. The alternate way to do it is like create a list of like all of the objects and like where the transform would be, and then like just checking that list in here. And I think that's what I will do. So let's throw in that. Oh wait, fuck, we don't have the distance thing. Oh, that doesn't work either. Because we don't have a fixed distance. Like the distance is depending on... I can just throw the formula for the distance in there as well, I guess. Which is that, and then I also need to throw in those two values. I can make that work. Then I need temp factor and object height. So object height is dot scale. I should do that with list comprehension. Yeah, I should do that with list comprehension. Var green cam positions. For I in available screens. I cam screen cam positions dot append. I dot transform that, and I dot scale that, and temp factor was 1.36, right? Then another bracket at the end, and then we should be good. If that vector was correct, yes, it was. Okay. Now I just need to throw all of the available screens in here, which should just be that. It goes up to 7, right? Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, first of all, let's throw that over here. And the first one is that slash mean. Oh, but like that one has a different transform. That one has a different transform though. Okay, so let's go and this. main screen transform. That one dot append main screen transform. Nope, main screen form, which I have not set as a variable yet. Okay. Then we can get rid of that in here. Or should I keep it in here? Doesn't include main screen. I don't know. If I need that later, then I'll have to include it, I guess. If camera start. Okay, we only want to do that if the camera start is in, oh what? If camera start in screen cam positions, and if it's not going to the end position. Else and not doing that. So, if I now go in here, it crashes. Fuck. Transform. Oh, right, because that's in the ready function, and the ready function doesn't get called while I'm doing things. Oh shit. It crashed again. Type null instance. Wait, what? Oh, because it's not on ready, I suppose. Oh yeah, also I didn't number of them. You will see something in a second. Give me a second. I'm just gonna quickly fix this. Okay, there we go. There we go. So, what just happened? I had to move the available screens in the ready function because basically that said we don't have that. And I was like, yeah, you should have that. And it was like, have you put it in the ready function? And then I put it in the ready function, and then it was ready when it was supposed to be ready. Yeah. Anyways, not doing that because we're in the main position. Not doing that because we started in the main position. It should have done that. Oh no, it's not doing anything anymore. Wait. Okay, it's always not doing that. Also, I broke the main camera movement. Cam on screen. Don't have that. Oh wait, it doesn't need to have var in front of it. Oh, it does. What? Oh. Var that needs to be clover. So restarting that quickly. I'm waiting for it to catch up. There we go. Okay, so it's supposed to. Wait, why is the printing not doing that? It is doing that. Oh. Why is it printing not doing that? Print in here. Oh wait, the end position. Wait, what's being checked? Oh, the camera. And basically I also need to check that the end position is this in here. Okay. Wait, now it's in here. Not doing that. Here. Not doing that. Not doing that. Okay. What? What am I doing wrong? Going to the monitor works because okay, I think it just has the wrong transform in here. I think that's wrong somehow. I think that's what's going on. Because the main screen one works. I don't know why that's wrong though. I can't figure it out. I mean, I can at some point. Maybe it's just like floating point accuracy or something. I'm not doing that. Start. Oh god. For I in screen cam positions. Print I. Do it like that so it's easy to see. So, so let's compare this. So, camera start. If that is equal to any of these here, then it shouldn't do that. But it is equal. Oh no, it isn't equal to any of them. Why is that one different than that one? Isn't this one? No. Minus Oh, wait, all of these are the same. Except for the position. Like the rotation is the same, which is not correct. It's like, oh wait, actually the rotation is the same, right? Ah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think that's working. Why am I doing it like this? Why am I not just creating a global boolean, zoomed into screen, and like I triggered it? What the fuck am I doing? Okay. That was okay. Let's just revert all of that. How far do I need to revert until I delete something that's important? That's not important. That's main screen transform. I don't think I need the main screen transform up here then. I need to go way back. Yeah, that needs to go as well. Plus that. I think now we're getting close. Ah, that's important. That's important. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's not important. Okay, I think that's where we go. Then let's say var zoomed on green is false. False like this. And just do that. Zoomed on screen is true. True. And just do that whenever zoom into something. Wait, not in the main position though. There it needs to be false. And camera on screen also needs to be true. Now, just need to check that one here. If wait, zoomed on the screen. Yeah, okay. And then I'm pretty sure I need to restart because I reverted a lot of things there and I need to check if everything's still working. There's the reconnect. So actually, let's keep that on my main screen to look. Ah. If zoomed on screen. And pause. Camera start isn't home transform and end position isn't home transform and zoomed on screen. I mean, wait, let's just print not doing. So that shouldn't do it. Good, there's a print. This one shouldn't do it either. This one should do it. Nice, no print. So should this one. This one. One shouldn't. And this one shouldn't either. Nice. And this one shouldn't do it either. Okay, very good. Oh. I've found a problem. But I can fix that. Whenever I like move by myself, then I need to also set it to not zoomed on screen. So that's not in here, right? Or did I? Mouse motion. Zoomed on screen. False if we right click. And all of these as well. Yeah. I mean, the right click one. Yeah, just moving the camera shouldn't corrupt the thing. So, but still do it. Yep. Like if I go away. Oh, that was the wrong one. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Okay. Okay, I like that. Not entirely sure if I should like keep the fact that like it's not doing it when I do that. Because what if I just go like, oh yeah, let me zoom into that. Then I'm like going to the camera. I'm not sure. Not sure if I should leave it like that. Okay. I think. Will I leave it at that or do I try to implement more? Actually, let's implement more. I'm next. What do I do next? What was it? Yeah, OBS integration, right. So there was a plugin. Godot OBS. So there was like wait. Yeah, I think it was that Reddit post that I saw before. Yes, source. Okay, let's have a look at that. Godot add-on to interact with OBS website. Test it on Godot something. Install that for your platform. Have it. Figure that. Yep. Clone this project. Add the add-ons. Node to your scene. Back to that. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try that. Yes. So let's see. Can I get OBS integration in here? In which folder do I need to throw that again? I should probably move that to my second screen again now. But not without playing around a little bit. I don't know why this is so fun. I can't describe it. Probably just that like I made this and it works for once. So correct here. Can I open that with Godot while I have the other thing open? Yes, I can. Oop. Go. Why is it taking so long to open? That's kind of suspicious. Upgrade that. Also, I should like get rid of that print now that I just saw that. Like generally get rid of a lot of the prints. Oh wait, that was the only print in the entire script. Damn. Okay, demo. Oh my god, my PC is lagging a little bit. Why is laggy? I'm sure it's fine. Hey, I paid for the whole PC. I'm using the whole PC. What? Oh no, it's the GPU again. Oh, is it? Why is my OBS using so much suddenly? Wait, let me close that again because that's the only thing that changed. What the fuck's going on? Okay, now we back to normal. Oh. This time I didn't use up all the video encode thing. This time it was 3D. On that note, sometime this week, whenever I've got the parts, there will be a PC building stream. It will be fun. Yeah. And it should then, like, hopefully help against problems like these. Where was I? Okay, let's try it again. Let's just try it again. Why is it using like so many 3D resources anyways? Should just be a 2D thingy. 90%? Good? That's what I call headroom. 10% headroom. 8. We good. We good is basically what I wanted to say. Anyways, so how do I use, oh god. How do I use this? Add the node to your scene. Add-ons, OBS, WebSocket, GD. I mean, should be add-on, OBS, WebSocket, GD. Add-on. I would have kind of assumed that it's in there. Oh, wait. Yeah, but like, that's not a scene or something. That's not a node. That's a script. Okay. I don't know what it's doing. Right, here I need to... It's plain text LMAO. You should be changing this programmatically. Yeah. I mean, not that it would matter, I think. I think I've leaked worse things. I think I've used worse... I've leaked worse things on this stream than my OBS WebSocket password. That said, where is it? Here. I'm not gonna actively try to leak something. Just passively. And there we go. It'll be fine now. Now I have no idea what it's doing, if I'm honest. Add to the scene. By default, add-on tries to connect to that with that. Password. Password setup instead 2. Next on listener. Signal in OBS WebSocket. Oh my god. Bit laggy. Data structure stores raw response and also maps data to like file, whatever the fuck that means. Call establish connection on that node. Connect to the OBS WebSocket. I mean, what does the demo do? Like, I would have assumed if there's a demo scene that the demo does things. Ah, I don't need to. Okay, but I did change. Okay, okay. Let's just run it. See if it does anything. Establishing connection. Hello received. Identify received. Shit ton of things received. That is a lot of output. And very laggy. Let me do things. Available requests. Okay. Establish connection. Wait, connection. Send command. Get version. Ah. Why does it extend to canvas layer? I don't know. I mean, it's not showing anything, right? Yeah, literally just a blue screen. Okay, so what I think I'll do is close this. It's not laggy anymore. And then I'll just heal. Wait, what's the license? I think Apache was the one that's safe to use. Also, they fucking posted it on Reddit. It'll be fine. Samples. Demo GD. Wait, let me demo GD. Let me also the same thing copy the WebSocket GD. One there scripts put in here. And let's go back in here. Error failed. Reload file doesn't exist. Okay. Did the thing crash? No. Wait, but I should probably like reload it or something. Oh, because it's in a different folder. Right, that's why. One sec. Res, scripts. Yes. No, wait. Let me go in here. Warning tweet as error. What? To compile dependent script. Okay, wait. 1 second. I just gotta check something in the script that you aren't allowed to see, I think. Okay. Now you're allowed to look again. Why? What the fuck does that even mean? Oh, just do that. No. Why? Ah, okay. Start that again so we can have the nice overlay while we work on this. Okay, so close this again. Demo GD. Where do I attach that? Why do I have a webcam receiver thing in here that's not got a script attached? Oh, I'll just keep it there. Okay. I'll just attach it to the fucking light. Like, no, I'm a create. Let's do the proper thing and say no 3D. There it is. Create. Attach. Scripts. Demo GD. Load. Sense node 3D. That one is called OBS app socket handler. Let's restart. See if it can connect to the WebSocket. It can. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break and then we'll continue that and then we'll figure out how to like change scenes there easily. And then, yeah, also should throw that into like the main script then, I suppose. Like into the camera? Yeah, into the camera script because we want to switch at the end of the like camera movement thing. Anyways, we'll figure it out in a second. I'm gonna just take a quick break. Be right back. Hello, I am back. Check something real quick. Once data. Oh, wait, maybe that's not a valid request? No, it is. Why does it send like all of the... Oh, wait. It is spamming. Oh god, it's spamming all of the events. Like, okay, so it's responding with like everything that's happening. Like setting mute and unmute and mic and stuff like that. Interesting. Yes, data received. Mm-hmm. No, it shouldn't. Yeah, no, it doesn't print everything anymore. That's happening. And command get version. I don't know. But wait, let's for now. Let's redo that. I want to check if there's like a switch scene thing, because that's the one we will need. That scene. There's a lot of scene things. That scene name. Wait. There was a list somewhere. Here. Mm-hmm. That current scene switches to a scene correction. Great. Nope. Switches to a profile. Great profile. Nope. Why can I switch to a scene collection but not to a scene? Okay. Requests. Versioning its stats. Hotkey, trigger hotkey name. I mean, that will work, I guess. Config requests. Get sources, get source screen, scene requests, get scene list. Wait. Create scene, that scene name. That's the name of a scene, rename. That's not what I want. Why can I not just... Source screenshot. Scene requests, get scene list. Mm-hmm. Array of scenes. Get group list. That current program scenes. That's the current program scene. That is what I want, I think. biggest fields. Scene name, string. That is the current program. Okay. Let's try that. Let's just throw that in here. And command must get version. And we want coding just for an example. So current book. That how you format that? Wait. Oh. Ah, wait. I wanted to do that. Also, I should close a few of these tabs that I don't need anymore. Like this. Okay. Now. Call the send command string data dictionary method on the and command a string and then a dictionary. So basically, if I get that right, scene data dictionary. Oh. Coding. Oh, right. I just killed the program because I forgot something. Because nothing ever works first try here. But like, holy shit, it worked. Damn. Okay. Time to integrate this. And just to show what I did here. Like this. So like the first one is a string, the second one is a dictionary, and like the name needs to be quotes and that and that. Okay. But basically, I want to now integrate this into the camera script. Do I need OBS UI for anything? No. Why do I need to add that as a child? What? Okay, so so let's throw that in here at the top. Yeah, let's throw it away at the top. And then the ready function just Godot. I would assume we don't need that thing, but I mean, let me just copy it over and then move it from the other thing. So I don't think we need the data receive thing for our purposes. On that note, let's get rid of the OBS WebSocket handler that I misspelled as well. Let's test it here. I mean, here, let's just make sure we know which one is doing what. So if I now start this up, I would assume that it switches automatically to the Godot scene. Hey, and there we are. Nice. Oh shit, that is great. Okay. Yeah. Time to have some fun with that. I just had an idea how to do that efficiently. Well, no. No. Okay, I'm good. I need to do that differently. So, what I was just thinking was, for the webcam, I need to access the virtual camera, the OBS virtual camera from the other OBS instance. And I was thinking if I should do that for all of the things like screens and so, and then I realized how stupid that was, and so I'm not gonna do that. So virtual cam virtual from other instance. Okay. And we use this. There we go. And I mean, it's not full HD. Wait, I should probably like swap over so you can see what I'm doing, even though it's gonna be kind of weird. Face cam. So I just imported the virtual cam here. Now I'm gonna transform this. Transform. We're gonna throw size 1280 times 7. Oh shit. 720. Oh. Right. It needs to be. Oh, it needs to be the full. Shit. It needs to be the full thing. 1280 times 4. 5120. And that is just 1440. Okay. Then on the bottom we crop 720. And on the right we crop 3840. 3840. Nice. And then increase the size so it's full screen. Perfect. Close that. Let's throw that down here. And then we can go and slap that cam on face cam. Face cam. And should I zoom on screen, like whenever that switches, we switch back to Godot whenever we deactivate that. I think yes. Like here, Godot. Whoops. Wrong order. So, okay. True, false, getting set. False, getting set. Nice. Okay. Think we good. Oh, no, wait, I forgot there. Yeah, so what that's supposed to do now is if I go, I'm not sure, wait, I mean, it should work right now. So if I go and press 2 here, it's doing it too early. But it switched back nicely. Ah. Okay. I know what to do. Well, actually, those can stay. In fact, it should be before. Yeah, it's fine. So in ready, then cam main position. There it should happen first. Yeah. Then we do it in here. The pre-programmed camera movement thing. We add an optional string. Wait. Scene equal empty string. And if scene, then scene. Then we go pre-programmed thing. So for face cam, oh, zoom into object also needs that thing then. Scene. Do that. Scene. So face cam. There we stay. And for the cam main position, like cam on screen, we do that later. Actually, wait. Do I have a screen only thing? No, I think I used the screen as its own thing, right? Yeah, display capture. So let's do just screen, and we add a display capture in here. Don't panic. You're gonna see something in a second. Add existing display capture here. Let's do this. Snap. Then we go just and call it just screen. Just screen. Okay, so what else? If is main position, then we do Godot first anyways. And I think that's it. So if I now restart that, I should be able to. Okay, we're in Godot. Nice. If I now press 2, it should zoom. Too early again. I know what the problem is. I think I forgot to delete that line. I did forget to delete that line. Okay. Bad demonstration, but it works. Because if I now do that, if I now press that, boom. Did you notice that the scene switched? Now I wanted to demonstrate that we're like going from one screen directly to the other one, but I forgot to like switch out of the, yeah. I need to switch into Godot for that one. Into the zoom into object, or like that. Reprogrammed camera movement. Like maybe in here. Yeah, at the beginning of that, we always want to be in Godot. So basically, I now go into my face cam. Move. So, face cam. Main screen. I mean, it is pretty smooth. It is pretty smooth. I mean, you do notice a sudden like change in quality. I mean, not for the face cam because it's using the same cam. But like for the main cam, because that's then like full HD rather than just HD. But like, that's a pretty smooth switch. Right? I mean, especially for the like webcam. You. Wait, let me look at that in full screen. And I'll go main. There's a slight flicker in there, isn't there? Oh, it just messed up the going into Godot in between somehow. But it is a pretty smooth switch. I don't know why the display capture is flickering though. That's also it just got sometimes it gets stuck in the face cam thing. Wait. Like it should only. That's weird. Wait, here we don't need to do that because that's handled in the other thing anyways. Wait. I think I know what the problem might be. I go in here and then here. No, it doesn't. I was wondering if the problem is that it like somehow remembers the last name, which it shouldn't. But like it felt like it for a second. That switching out took a second. There is a slight change there. Like if you really look for it, you notice that something changes a little bit. But that might just be the brightness on my monitor changing the lighting for me. Yeah, I think that's the reason why. I think that's all there is to it. Yeah, that's pretty cool that just works. Honestly, expected that not to work as easily. Oh yeah, also. Yeah. Could be quicker with the switching out. It feels quicker on the display capture. So if I now look up. Oh, I didn't add it to the looking around thing. Yeah, I need to add it to the look around thing as well. Mouse button, mouse. Yeah, that'll look right. Here. So now, if I go in here, look around, switch out. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. Also, something I just realized I could do. On which one do I put that? Number 3? Number 3. Let's throw a second cam in here. Wait. Here. That. Where is that? Here. Laptop cam. This one. Let's throw that to number 3. Oh. It's right in. Wait, is the transform? Oh. Okay, apparently that one is HD anyways. Nice. And if I now... Okay, let's rearrange some hotkeys here. Cam main position. Let's make that 9. Wait, I can't swap around those easily. So let's say camera on screen is number 2. No, number 2. Cam on face cam is number 1. Object 4 is okay. Laptop cam. That with hotkey number 3. And input. So basically that. Laptop cam. Laptop cam. Also the 9 button doesn't work. Alright, because I didn't restart it yet. Yes, but also what I just noticed is laptop cam needs to be in 3, I think. So then restart it. Okay. Main position. Main cam. Which is over. Nice. Out. Switches to monitor. Nice. Face cam. That is Firefox. I mean, at least it didn't crash or anything because from switching to a non-existent thing. But like, I didn't expect it to be honest. That's it. Let's add a laptop cam. Clean. Laptop cam. And it needs to be the same as the face cam, basically. Except we need to change the transform. Instead we need to crop left 1 to 80 and therefore 1 to 80 less here, which is 60. It should be 2560, right? Oh. 2560 and 1 to 80 here. Nice. Hello. Okay. And if I now go in here, boom. And up. That is still the wrong screen. Ah, if I interrupt the movement, it does things. Anyways, why is that screen number why is the screen number off? Oh, it would be screen number 2 because like indexes. Right. So, hey, there it is. Oh, yeah, this is amazing. Hi. How are you? Ah, I love this. Yeah. Nice. Another feature very well implemented. That's oh god. But you didn't even notice that it glitched because it glitched after it swapped scenes. Let's go to the main monitor and like officially put a tick behind that. Boom. Now the auto start Python script. Do I do that? I mean, it's just like one thing at the very beginning. Maybe I should put some delay on the beginning so it has time to like switch out. Also, like the switching out, it feels a bit more inconsistent. Like especially when switching out from my main face cam for some reason. Hmm. Okay, so let's that and I think it was os dot let's maybe like let's see how it works if we delay it a little bit here, like by 200 milliseconds or something. Wait, is this not updating while runtime? Nope, doesn't seem like it. Okay, let me restart. Ah, shit. So why is it not stopping? Wait. Today's execution of the current thread. Oh, microseconds. I thought that was milliseconds. Oh, wait, microseconds makes so much more sense. So that's 2 milliseconds. So that's 2 seconds now. 1, 2. You can. Did I just set it to 20 seconds? Oh, I see. I've made a small blunder. Oh, you don't even see it because ah, there it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Camera movement. There we go. So yeah, 1 0 too much. So that's 2 seconds. But actually I wanted 200 milliseconds. So it still doesn't. No. I don't know why it's always happening with the cam. Also with this cam. Like it just straight up didn't switch. I mean, I don't think I need a delay in there because it feels like when it switches, then it switches basically instantly. But like sometimes it just forgets to switch and I don't really know why. But like it's always only when like switching out and it's only with the cams. Oh, maybe it is when I switch. Maybe it was because I like, went into the cam and then like back out and then it like switched. And then it, okay, maybe I just hit the like some unlucky timing. Mm, 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 oh. I think I just hit the bad timing. It's like when you switch just. I think when you switch rather soon after it switches scenes, then it has a bit of trouble. I don't know. Maybe I should implement like that it waits for the response from OBS that the scene has been switched. That could be an option. So that we like go and check which scene it is, and if it isn't the same one, then we wait. That might be an option. Let's look into the documentation. Get current programs. Get current program scene. Wait, let's just let's just see if that works. So if I now go in here, when should that happen? Now? 1. 1. Oh. It just counts with 1 every time? Like success, I guess? Rest is slated to have the current program prefix field removed from an upcoming, whatever the fuck that means. Wait, maybe I need to do it like this somehow. Something like this, maybe. Receive.connect. I'm not sure what that does. Nope. Expected closing thing. Oh shit. And so let's try that again. There it is. Mm-hmm. 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 And data CNAME. Hmm. That's not it. How do I do that? Mm-hmm. Test request. Mm-hmm. CNAME. Mm-hmm. As type. Hmm. Trying to figure out how to like handle the like incoming data when I send something. Like when I do when I try to get the name of the thing, then how do I get the like how can I access that in my program? Whatever the result is. Hmm. Oh wait, examples. Am I no, that's just a demo thing. OBS data received. I don't I don't want to have that every time. Just want to listen to incoming thingies, the response of something. Okay, I feel like that way too much to understand. Wait. Mm-hmm. From OBS 2 client. Okay. Wait a second. What is the function called? End command. Returns the request ID. Get message. Mm-hmm. I want basically the equivalent for that, but like only I want to send something to OBS and then listen to what it responds rather than like listen to everything OBS has to say. Mm. Mm-hmm. From client to OBS. Requests are processed in order by OBS WebSocket. Requests in an array of dictionaries. Oh wait, request is an array of dictionaries. Hold on failure, execution type of technically optional. When hold on failure is true. Contain successful process requests. Mm-hmm.
Damn, how did you came on this stream layout idea? Since the
Hi.
resolution is too low to read anything on that screen.
Oh, what? What? Should I get a bit closer? Would that help? Like maybe like this? Would that help? Yeah. Whoops. That's the wrong cam. I meant to go here. Yeah. I mean, yeah, the text is kind of small and like, yeah, the quality isn't optimal yet. I'm working on it. It is very much a work in progress. Like it works well enough that like when you don't really care what's happening in the code, then it's, or like when I'm kind of zoomed in, then it's good.
The resolution is a bit low on that. I don't know why. It feels like it's a screen recording of a screen recording XD.
Sorta is. It sorta is. Yeah, so what's happening is I have 2 OBS instances here. I have like this OBS instance, which I just use as a virtual camera. Okay, it is kind of a stupid system, but like basically I wanted to like stream my camera or like the OBS virtual camera into Godot for like stuff like this, and like there isn't a way to do that on Windows yet. It only works on Linux and Mac OS, the thing that they already implemented. So I kind of sort of made my own. Like there's a project from other people who have done similar things, but like I needed to change like basically most of it to make it work with like this big of a resolution at least. And so basically what's happening here is like all of these are like 720p thingies and combined, and then virtual camera that is slapped into a Python script that's running here. That's just like handling it with CV2 and sending and like encoding it into JPEGs and sending it to Godot. And then like in Godot we have this really complicated, wait, this is the newest one. Yeah, this like listener that just receives the data and like throws it onto a screen. And like I can do that with like 8 HD screens basically. But like I tried 8 full HD ones, but like that doesn't work. That is like a Godot limitation thingy. Like I think with 8 HD ones I'm like pushing the limit. I am thinking about multiple ways how you could optimize that. Like basically when one thing I was thinking about is when you're close to a screen, then like that screen kind of expands on the virtual camera screen, so it has like more data on just that screen, and like the other ones are getting kind of smaller to like still stay the same size. But yeah, that this thing is very much work in progress. I'm just really happy that like even doing this works, and like really well at that. Like that's what I've been doing today, and like basically I'm just playing around with this all the time because it's kind of fun. But yeah, and I stole that idea from a different streamer who did like a similar thing, who is called Solomon Gumball TV, I think. Yeah, he only did like the screen and like a very small face cam, so I assume he's not doing like the highest resolution, and also like his screen is also kind of hard to see, but like he has a lot more like other stuff going on in there. Like I think he has like a slot machine and whatever kind of ridiculousness. I didn't check in for a couple of streams, and like it feels like every time I check in there's like a ton of new stuff in there. But yeah, that's the kind of thing. That's how I came up with that idea, and yes, it is terrible. And right now I'm trying to figure out something, which is like sometimes if I like zoom into it, wait, I need to put it in here.
Me of the software obscure that stopped the project last year, which was basically OBS with full 3D environment support made in Unreal Engine.
Wait, what the fuck? That sounds amazing. Why the fuck would they stop that? Damn. Yeah. Anyways, the problem that I mean, it's basically a non-issue, but like something I want to fix is that like, as you might have seen there, like when switching out, yeah, right now I'm already switched out.
People using it since running Unreal Engine for your OBS is a bit too heavy XDD.
Yeah. Wait, let me finish that thought. Like when switching out, it sometimes gets stuck. And on the thing of about a bit heavy, I pay for the entire PC, so I'm using the entire PC. Yeah, I have been at 100% 3D before in this stream. Yeah, I can see why many people wouldn't use that. Also, like sometimes it's glitching around. I can see why they wouldn't do that. But yeah, yeah. Basically, my idea was kind of like have a 3D environment there, where kind of like a little bit recreate my room. Like that is as close as I with my very basic Blender skills could get to like my desk and like my monitor. Yeah, and I kind of want to expand that and like create a proper 3D environment, but like first, you know, all the technical stuff needs to be figured out. Rail of the app. Wait, give me a second. Let me copy that. Can I? God damn, why can't I? Why do I copy that entire thing? Okay. Wait. I also need to like still make the hotkeys work on like any screen. Also, whoops. Yeah, the switching out kind of doesn't work a lot of the time. Wait, let me. Oh wait, that's an Epic Games thing. I thought it was some like indie thing. How have I never heard of that? Interesting.
But last year they took it completely offline.
Ah, that sucks. Wait, that is amazing. Oh, and they integrate. Oh, I mean, of course, it is built on Unity. Of course, they can just do like motion capture thing. Damn. If I would have heard of that before, I would have used it. Like, what? I mean, I'm sure there were quite some technical problems with it, probably. That looks kind of cool. Man. Kind of sad. Right. Here. Yeah. So, what I was doing, right, was trying to figure out how the hell I can like make sure that we like already swapped out, or like generally like ensure that the swap out works, because right now I'm already swapped out again. Sometimes the swap out thing doesn't work. I think it's when multiple things are happening too close to each other. Like, it's probably a non-issue if like when like using it legitimately. It's like, Also, I mean, I could also just like create another button that just swaps the scene. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Also, I did it. What? Okay.
Did you heard about Meld Studio? That's a fork of OBS Studio with the goal in mind to make it easier but also more advanced.
I'm not sure if I heard of Meld Studio. I've heard of some program that is basically doing that, but like, not necessarily the more advanced thing, but like the easier part. Wait, what's the guy called again? Wait. Let me see what the program was. I think Harris Heller made a video about that. If I can quickly find it. I just don't know which channel of his that was. Not that one. It's that. Oh yeah, it is Meld. Right. It was Meld. Yeah, I have heard about that. Why would you do that? Why do you have your... That can't be on purpose, right? That is not a GIF that is doing that on purpose. That has to be a graphical bug. Oh, okay. For a second I was like, oh, that's a cool effect, and then I was like, no, it is really stupid. But okay. Yeah, I've heard about that. I was for a second considering using it, because like all of the transitions and stuff like that like the things that he showed off in the video looked really cool and like very easy and would have made a lot of things easier. But then like I feel like I'm one of the few people where like the switch isn't a good idea, because a lot of my stuff is like built upon OBS WebSockets and stuff like that. Like the scene switching stuff here, and I mean, maybe they also have that. Maybe they also have it like compatible with it somehow, so that it would be a minor change. But like,
I think Meld also
yeah,
support OBS WebSocket.
Okay, that, I mean, maybe it could be worth checking out. Maybe. But then I wouldn't know like how I would integrate like the Meld stuff into like something like this. That's like, I don't know. Okay, I wanted to check.
So is the Godot thing your main project RN?
Yes.
XD.
Yes, that's kind of the main project. I have like, it's kind of a thing where I'm like working on this, and then I have like something else that's based upon this that I want to also try. Yeah, I don't want to say too much about that one yet. Because in order for like because that would kind of be like the next step of what I want to do with this. But in order for that to work, like this one would have to work pretty well, and I think we might be there. And also, yeah. Also, I would have to run this on a different PC, which is kind of convenient because I just ordered a lot of PC parts, and I'm gonna do a PC building stream sometime this week whenever they arrive. Okay, whenever they arrive and I cleaned up my room, whichever happens later. Yeah. So I'm also why is it still in my okay, that's definitely something I need to iron out. Wait, maybe I know how to fix it. Let's just switch to Godot again. Yeah. Yeah.
One of my main projects right now is a small website with all of my clothes. Yes, I have a lot of them, where I can filter / search and make lists and many more. XD.
That sounds super useful. Like if you have a system in place where you like say, okay, that's when I last wore it. It is not cleaned yet. That's where it is and stuff like that. And index all of that. That could be very useful. I feel like. That is actually a super cool project. Yeah. Also kind of reminds me of something that I'm sort of thinking about. Yeah, I've been sort of thinking about a project for like multiple years, but that would be a very complicated project for very little payoff. Like the idea would basically be have like a robot hand thingy that can like go from one end of my room to the other, and like cameras, and like it can pick up stuff and like put them away into where it needs to go, which would be a super cool thing and like kind of useful, and like solve a real problem. But like that, I feel like that would take multiple years for it to be useful at all.
You can check it out. The site isn't compiled yet, so it may have a big loading time, but should still be very fast and very, very responsive. I just didn't add a lot of items yet because I'm still fixing bugs.
Okay.
https://clothing.nastia.one.
That is not what I wanted to copy there. Give me a second. Why can't I just like copy just the link? Damn. Okay, let me check that out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so like kinda, and like, okay, that's super cool. Oh, and you can filter for like basically everything. Okay, wait. Okay, that button doesn't exist yet. But okay, it is very responsive.
And the search is also very advanced.
Cool. Yeah. Very cool project. All right, I forgot I put the screen there. Yeah. What else did I want to work on today? I don't know.
I will probably open source once it's done.
Yeah, I feel like that could have like a lot of use for like a lot of people. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, basically what you're doing is like creating an kind of a shop site, but like without the shop and just like stuff you already have. I'm assuming it's like built on some on some like pre-existing like shop thingy that is like readily available, and then you just like adapted it for like your purpose, or did you like completely write it from scratch?
No, the UI is built from
Oh.
scratch.
Okay. I mean, then it's super cool, and like it was very responsive. I mean, there wasn't a lot of it on it yet, so I guess that's an easy way to make it responsive. But like, yeah, seems like a very cool project, and like you could do a lot with that. And, like group it by like where they are right now. If you like add some way to like index automatically what you're doing with anything. Yeah. Could be a very useful project. On the other hand, everything I do is by design very useless. Yeah. There's something else I wrote down that I wanted to do. Oh yeah, I also had to do a lot of math today. And I'm still mad that like, I'm pretty sure that I got the correct solution, but like for some reason I need to add a factor of 1.36 or something to make it work. Like, okay, basically what I did is like I had to calculate when I go into a random screen, I just get where the object, like the function only takes like the object and then like calculates where the camera needs to go. And like I calculated that for like an hour and then like got the perfect result and implemented everything, and then like it was just zoomed in way too far, and then I had to like increase the distance, and I don't know why. Now that I think about it again, after a while, wait, these have depth, right?
I just looked at sites like StockX and thought, oh, it's really nice, and has nice filtering. I want that, but for the stuff I already own, and when clicking on products there is also a retailer button so friends can use my style as inspiration because my style is very unique XD.
That is very cool. Very good idea. Just one thing. Add affiliate links in there. Just, you can have the tip for free. But like, if you like do that, I feel like that would be an obvious thing to do. Like, if you link to something anyways.
Remember, I'm Russian.
Oh.
They can't pay me out.
Right. True. There has to be ways around that. I mean, I'm not trying to incite criminal activities. Just disclaimer, huge disclaimer. Don't do anything illegal. Don't circumvent that.
To the official page, not Amazon or anything.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Yeah, that, I mean, then that's a good idea. I didn't think about like the whole everything. Yeah. If you weren't at that place, then that would have been an obvious thing to do. But like, I guess then you just do it for like, because it's a nice thing to do for your friends without profiting. Fair. Yeah. Okay, for a second I thought I figured out why I had that weird factor, because what's going on here is that these screens, even though they are basically 2D, they aren't like actually, like they have like a size in every Wait a second. If I set that rotation to 0. 0. Okay, no, then they still have size in every direction. I think these just have a size for some reason in every direction. Like that value is way too much for, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know, and I'm not happy about it. But yeah, there's just like a permanent random vector of 1.36 that I had to add to that. Not happy about that. Yeah. What else do I do? I mean, wait, did that small delay that I added there help? Wait, can I get it stuck again? I mean, oh, I just did, but like that was... Can I like accidentally get it stuck again? No. It looks fine now. Okay. Am I pressed too early? Okay, but like at the end it gets out. Okay, it seems like it's fine now. So let's just assume that it's fixed enough for that. Now. What else can I implement here? Do I want to just like add 3D objects there to make it more interesting? Or auto starting the Python script, but that's like kind of complicated. Basically, I would have to rewrite it into a C++ script and then like add it to the GD extension thing. Or, wait, is there a way in Godot to, wait, that's the wrong browser. Is there a way in Godot to like run a Python script? Godot run Python script. That's not entirely my problem. With os.execute. That could work. Oh. But I would need a specific Python interpreter. I would have to somehow like set my standard Python interpreter. Or that. Alright, that doesn't sound confident inspiring. I don't know. Oh, you do. I think I'll just not do that. Because like there's a chance that at some point I replace that anyways, and for now it's not enough work. I know I don't ever say that, but like for now it's not enough. It's not enough work that I would be replacing with automation. Okay, let me try to say that sentence again. I know I don't say that often, but like it's not worth automating it because like the work I'm doing is not a lot. That wasn't any better, was it? Yeah. Okay, so anything else I want to do? Wait, let me check. Yeah, I don't know. What else would I implement here? I mean, next thing would be like adding more objects here. Do I want to do that now or how long have I been live? 4 hours. I mean, that's fine. I think I'll just leave that for tomorrow or something. Will I stream tomorrow? Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, let's just say I stream tomorrow and join the Discord for early notifications in case I don't stream tomorrow or something. I don't know. Or like in case I do. Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Let me just zoom into. Yeah, right. I changed the keybinds and now I always press the wrong one. Let me just zoom into myself. Hi. Yeah. Join the Discord for early notifications for streams. And yeah, we'll see each other tomorrow, and then I'll probably like add more objects to this thing. And yeah. Anything else I want to say? Not really. Bye. Oh yeah, wait, I need to stop so many streams. Bye TikTok, and live, and now. Then goodbye YouTube and Twitch. Goodbye.